the spirit, if they will accept it, they will kill and then they will chop.
They eat it?
Okay.
No,
Or they leave it?
no. Before that, after with no while they are offering to the spirit,
It's
no
for the
no
spirit, it's
salt,
not- nobody
no
eats it.
salt, no
Yeah.
salt.
Yeah.
After offering, they will collect again and then they will boil again and put the ingredient and then the salt. And then
Okay.
if they have many people accompanied, they can eat.
They can eat
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
Are not allowed, according to the shaman, they are not allowed to bring the meat while they are go home to in their house. Only
They have to leave it here.
Yeah.
Only to eat it here.
Almost million years. Because at that time, this area is a high tide.
Okay, so it's part of water.
We can see the face or the shape of the stone. If they have a wave, especially strong wave, the shape of the stone is just like that.
Okay.
That's why.
That's why we can see clam here.